Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the Daily Scan for Tuesday, December 4th, 2012. Let's do a quick review of our current open positions. First, we'll look at the spread account. This is a quick way of doing it, and everything seems to be moving along just fine. Yesterday was a up day and then a down day. Today is starting out up, and it may end up like yesterday. This is not a real strong up, but I guess we'll see as time marches on, as they say. So we're doing okay there. We'll take a look at our Profit 10 portfolio. We have our two iron condors here, and these are actually a combination of several different months. So the current month is doing fine, but coupled with the January, between December and January, we're pretty flat right now, but the current month is up. We could take a look at that, breaking it down, but we won't do that today. I think I might want to keep this to as a short video. Quick review of the market overall. We'll take a look at the E-minis. Yesterday, it's actually, well, this is today. So yesterday was not a good day. Wasn't such a bad day either. But in reality, it's kind of a good day for us, as long as we don't, we're kind of bearish on the spread account, or bullish on the spread account, and neutral on the Profit 10 portfolio. So everything is just moving along just fine from that perspective, as long as the market can't make up its mind. And as long as Washington is fighting and they're not doing anything to change the landscape, so to speak, at all, that's a good thing. A peek at the VIX, and I was a little surprised when I look at this today that it actually 1582 to, that's 80-cent move, which is a pretty decent move for the VIX on what I would consider not a very volatile trading day. Gold is down currently. Futures are down $14.90, and the euro and the British pound are pretty much not doing much either. All right, let's do a quick scan. Apple, we're in it. Amazon, no entry here. Well, let's see here. Long term, we're in an uptrend. Short term, we look like we're just too flat here, and it's not worth the risk at this time to do anything with Amazon, in my opinion. Baidu, yeah, I would rather see this come up. I would rather see the slower stochastic come up to 80 to give a better entry point, so that we could jump in with a weekly. Nothing long term here at the current time, no entry point there. Yes, the trend is down, but we don't want to chase. I want to see what we're actually in yet. Okay. Chipotle, let's take a look at Chipotle. No entry here either. CRM we're in. We're going to skip gold. Google, pretty flat. This moving average here is pretty flat. And we are Google, so let's just move on. Having some senior moments here, I think, this morning. Must be the weather. We might get some thunderstorms today. Come on. You know, we're in Ohio and it's December. We should be getting snow. It's okay with me, though. All right, we're in an uptrend. Stochastic is up. We're in an uptrend on the long term. Stochastic is up. Pass on Priceline. No entry there. PNRA. Downtrend on the weekly, on the midterm, medium term. No entry there. And in an uptrend on the long term, no entry there. We're like ending up with some wedges here, it looks like. So there may be some breakouts coming in PNRA's future. And just to visually indicate what I'm talking about, this is kind of a wedge pattern here. When you have this type of thing happening, I'm not exactly on prices or anything, it's just overall we're getting into a wedge situation. And usually those are indicators, and we'll see it over here on the weekly, of some sort of breakout coming in the future. And that may happen. And that is it as far as our scan for today. I was going to do another short lesson on candlesticks, but I decided that let's just make it a short video. So that's it. Thanks for watching and happy trading.